How to manage side buttons on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to customize power button and volume button functions on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Following that, tap on Side button or Side key. Now, you'll see options for double press and press and hold. Moving forward, tap on double press to customize what happens when you quickly press the power button twice. You can choose from options like Open Camera, Open App, or Quick Launch. Select your preferred action from the list. Afterwards, go back and tap on Press and Hold. Here you can set what happens when you hold the power button. Choose between Power Off menu, Bixby, or another function. Once that's done, your side button settings are customized. You can also scroll down to find Volume Button Control. Tap on it to set whether volume buttons control media or ringtone first. Your Samsung side buttons are now configured to your preference. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you manage side buttons on Samsung, give it a like. Subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.